Today, we'll guide you through the process of a screen replacement on an iPad 9th generation. When starting a screen replacement, it is best to heat the device to soften any adhesive holding the screen to the device. Work your way slowly around the iPad, making sure not to go too far, as you can damage the LCD. Make sure to be very careful around the home button, as you can nick the cable and cause the home button to stop working. Slowly lift the screen and remove the 4 screws holding the LCD into place. Using tweezers, pry up on the corners of the LCD to lift it carefully out of the device. Lift the LCD up so we can get access to the battery connector. Make sure not to lose this screw, as without it we won't be able to turn the iPad back on. Make sure to put something underneath the connector from powering the device and causing any shorts when removing the LCD. Remove the 3 screws and the metal plate holding down the connectors, and remove the LCD from the device. Be very careful when taking the home button connector off, as it is very delicate. Slowly lift the home button connector and remove the screen from the device. Use some alcohol to soften the adhesive underneath the home button, and use a prying tool to carefully remove the home button from the digitizer. With the new screen, remove the adhesive tape. Add the home button to the new screen and place it down, making sure it is clicking properly. Add some adhesive to keep the home button in place and let it dry. Let it dry and continue with the other part of the iPad. Clean the edges as best as possible to help with full adhesion. Make sure to line up the digitizer connectors and the home button and click them into place. Move the LCD in and connect the connector. Place the bracket back onto the connectors and screw back into place. Add the battery screw. Place the LCD back into the frame and make sure to test before closing it all up. Add the 4 LCD screws back in, making sure to get them exactly where they were, as they are different sizes, so it can affect the LCD. Clean the screen as best as possible. Remove all the protective tape from the screen. Add the adhesive to the corners and the edges of the frame and place the screen back into place. Make sure to be careful with the connectors as they can pinch and stop the digitizer and the home button from working correctly. With everything tested, the screen replacement is now complete. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content.